Top 50 Sri Lanka food. 01. Korchu roti, popular street food made with chopped roti, vegetables, eggs, and meat. 02. Hoppers, upper, bowl-shaped pancakes made with fermented rice flour and coconut milk. 03. String hoppers, steamed rice flour noodles served with a variety of curries. 04. Chicken curry, tender chicken cooked in a spicy curry sauce. 05. Fish curry, a delicious curry made with fresh fish and spices. 06. Vegetable curry, a flavorful vegetarian dish made with a variety of vegetables and coconut milk. 07. Polo's curry, unripe jackfruit curry cooked with coconut milk and spices. 08. Ambal thial, a tangy fish dish made with tamarind and spices. 09. Curry bath, a rich and creamy rice dish served during special occasions. 10. Parupa, dal curry, lentil curry with coconut milk. 11. Watalapan, a sweet pudding made with coconut milk and jaggery. 12. Godikola sombole, a healthy and refreshing salad made with godikola leaves. 13. Brinjal moju, sweet and sour eggplant pickle. 14. Brinjal curry, eggplant, a fragrant and spicy eggplant curry that is made with a blend of Sri Lankan spices and served with rice. 15. Crab curry, a spicy curry made with fresh crab. 16. Prawn curry, a delicious curry made with fresh prawns and spices. 17. Pol sombol, a coconut and chili relish served with rice. 18. Sini sombol, a sweet onion relish. 19. Lunya miris, a spicy onion and chili relish. 20. Kiribath with lunya miris, a popular breakfast dish of rice cakes served with onion and chili relish. 21. Kukul mas curry, a spicy chicken curry with a rich gravy. 22. Beef curry, tender beef cooked in a spicy curry sauce. 23. Fried rice, a popular Chinese-influenced Sri Lankan dish. 24. Vegetable fried rice, a vegetarian version of fried rice. 25. Deviled chicken, spicy chicken stir-fry with onions and peppers. 26. Deviled prawns, spicy prawn stir-fry with onions and peppers. 27. Egg hoppers, hoppers with a fried egg on top. 28. Fish ambal thial, a tangy fish dish made with tamarind and spices. 29. Kankan malam, a healthy and flavorful dish made with water spinach. 30. Beetroot curry, a delicious curry made with beetroot and coconut milk. 31. Mango curry, a sweet and spicy curry made with ripe mangoes. 32. Pineapple curry, a sweet and tangy curry made with fresh pineapple. 33. Okra curry, a flavorful curry made with okra and coconut milk. 34. Cashew curry, a creamy and rich curry made with cashew nuts. 35. Mutton curry, tender mutton cooked in a spicy curry sauce. 36. Fish cutlets, spicy fish cakes made with mashed potato and spices. 37. Vegetable cutlets, vegetarian version of fish cutlets. 38. Prawn cutlets, spicy prawn cakes made with mashed potato and spices. 39. Deviled cashew, a delicious curry made with eggplant and coconut milk. 40. Sweet potato curry, a flavorful curry made with sweet potato and coconut milk. 41. Crab cutlets, spicy crab cakes made with mashed potato and spices. 42. Tomato curry, a tangy curry made with tomatoes and coconut milk. 43. Cabbage curry, a healthy and flavorful dish made with cabbage and coconut milk. 44. Dosa, a popular South Indian dish, crispy thin crepe made from fermented rice and lentil batter. 45. Pork curry, a spicy and flavorful pork curry that is made with a blend of Sri Lankan spices and served with rice and other accompaniments. 46. Potato curry, a spicy and delicious potato curry that is made with a blend of Sri Lankan spices and served with rice. 47. Pumpkin curry, a flavorful pumpkin curry that is made with a blend of Sri Lankan spices and served with rice. 48. Spinach curry, a simple yet flavorful spinach curry that is packed with spices and served with rice. 49. Drumstick curry, a flavorful curry made with drumsticks, a popular vegetable in Sri Lanka. 50. Carrot curry, a delicious and healthy carrot curry that is made with a blend of Sri Lankan spices and served with rice.